Good morning, class 8. In the previous class, you have read about the algebraic expression, equations, and identity. And today we are going to understand the first identity, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. So take a look at this. Students, our chapter is algebraic identities. The first identity we have read today, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is also called the square of a binomial. Binomial means the algebraic expression having two terms. Binomial is the square of a binomial is a trinomial which consists of square of the first term added to twice the product of the two terms and further added to the square of the second term. That is, the square of a binomial is a trinomial having three terms, in which the square of the first term and twice the product of the two terms and further added to the square of the second term. This is written here. Now, for mathematical proof of this identity is, here I am taking LHS a plus b whole square, which can be written as a plus b into a plus b. Now we multiply a to a, that is a into a, plus b into a, b into a, plus a into b plus b into b. Now a into a is a square, b into a can be written as ab, a into b is also ab, and b into b is b square. Now ab and ab is added and written as 2ab and a square and b square as it is. Now you can see this is the RHS. So this is the way to prove the identity. And now how can we use this identity to solve some questions? Suppose you have to evaluate 43 square. To find out 43 square, we can write 43 square as 40 plus 3. You know, 43 can be written as 40 plus 3 in the form of tens and 3 and ones. So 40 plus 3 whole square. And now it is taken as A and this is taken as B. 40 is taken as A and 3 is taken as B. So A square means 40 square plus 3 square means B square and plus 2AB, 2 into 40 as A and into 3 as B. So 40 square plus 2 into 40 into 3 plus 3 square. Now 40 square is 1600 and 2 into 40 into 3 is 240 and 3 square is 9. 1600 plus 240 is 1840 and plus 9 is 1849. Now you can see that we can find out the square of 43 easily by using this identity. Again I am taking an example, 56 square. 50 plus 6, we can write 56, that is 50 square plus 6 square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, it means 2 into a is 50 and b is 6, and 50 square is simply 2500, 6 square is simply 36, and 2 into 50 into 6 is 600. Now when you add 2500, 636, then you will get 3136. and this is the square of 56. So this can be used to ease our work. Here I am taking one more example, that is evaluate 105 square. 105 square means we can write 100 plus 5 square, and 100 square, that is a square plus 2ab, it means 2 into 100 into 5, and plus b square means 5 square. So it is 10,000, this will be 1,000, and this will be 25. After adding we will get 11,025. So we can find easily the square of the 105, a 3-digit number, which is equals 11,025. So my dear students, you can see how we can use this first identity, a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.